A simple toothbrush, often dismissed, can unlock photographic secrets usually reserved for grand landscapes. Its microscopic textures and reflective surfaces demand lighting mastery, transforming the ordinary into extraordinary art. You might not believe the visual drama hidden within everyday bathroom objects until you see it. Mastering light for such subjects elevates your entire photographic skill set dramatically. Photographing a toothbrush goes beyond mere documentation. It becomes an exercise in visual storytelling. Professional product photographers constantly seek innovative ways to make even common items captivating. This seemingly trivial object presents unique challenges regarding its shape, material, and minute details. Learning to illuminate its bristles or the subtle curves of its handle teaches invaluable lighting principles. Every photographer benefits from practicing on subjects that push their creative boundaries significantly. You learn to observe details often overlooked, like the way light interacts with plastic or nylon. This specific focus dramatically sharpens your understanding of light's direction, quality, and intensity. It forces a meticulous approach to composition and depth of field, revealing hidden beauty. This shimmers on a single dedication to micro bristle. Details differentiates amateur snapshots from truly compelling visual narratives. Ultimately, it's about transforming the mundane into something visually spectacular and memorable. First, macro photography is essential for revealing the toothbrush's intricate textures and fine bristles. A dedicated macro lens allows for extreme close-ups, making tiny details appear monumental on screen. Stabilizing your camera with a sturdy tripod is non-negotiable for achieving razor-sharp focus at high magnifications. For lighting, consider using a softbox positioned directly above the toothbrush for even, diffused illumination. This overhead soft light minimizes harsh shadows, highlighting the toothbrush's form without distracting elements. But what happens if you want to emphasize texture and dimension more dramatically? Side lighting becomes your best friend, raking across the bristles to create pronounced shadows and highlights. Position a single light source slightly to the side, allowing it to skim the object's surface effectively. A small reflector on the opposite side can subtly fill in shadows, preventing overly dark areas from appearing. Now for something truly captivating: backlighting, especially when combined with water droplets. Place your light source directly behind the toothbrush, shining towards the camera through the subject. This technique creates a stunning rim light effect, outlining the toothbrush with a glowing edge. When droplets are present, backlighting makes them sparkle like tiny diamonds, catching every individual ray. You can achieve this with a small LED panel or even a carefully positioned desk lamp. Experiment with different colored gels on your backlight to introduce unique mood and atmosphere. Imagine a vibrant blue backlight, making ordinary water droplets look like frozen sapphire jewels. But there's a simple, often overlooked tool that can elevate these effects even further. A simple white foam board can act as an excellent diffuser or reflector, shaping light subtly. Hold it to bounce light into shadowy areas, or between the light and subject for softer results. For composition, apply the rule of thirds, positioning key elements like the brush head off-center. Leading lines from the handle can draw the viewer's eye directly towards the meticulously lit bristles. Consider negative space. Sometimes what you don't include is just as important as what you do. A minimalist background helps keep the focus entirely on the toothbrush and its intricate details. Adjusting your white balance precisely ensures colors appear natural and pleasing to the discerning eye. Small adjustments to your aperture can control depth of field, isolating the subject beautifully. And here's why tiny adjustments make an enormous difference in the final photographic outcome. Mastering these techniques on a toothbrush translates directly to improved skills across all photographic genres. Your ability to see and manipulate light becomes incredibly refined, almost like a superpower. You develop an intuitive understanding of how light creates mood, depth, and visual interest. This practical experience with controlled lighting setups enhances your product photography portfolio significantly. Imagine applying the same backlighting principles to capture a glistening beverage or delicate jewelry. Your portraiture will benefit from a deeper appreciation for highlighting facial features and creating flattering light. Even landscape photographers gain from understanding directional light and textural emphasis on rocks or trees. This meticulous approach fosters patience and attention to detail, crucial traits for any aspiring artist. You learn to problem-solve lighting challenges with confidence, no matter the subject matter you encounter. The satisfaction of transforming an everyday item into a stunning visual artwork is immensely rewarding. It proves that extraordinary images are not limited to exotic locations or expensive gear exclusively. Instead, they emerge from a profound understanding of light and a keen eye for subtle beauty. This knowledge empowers you to create impactful, memorable images, regardless of your chosen subject. It truly elevates your photographic journey from simple capture to deliberate, artistic creation. By meticulously photographing an everyday toothbrush, you unlock advanced lighting and composition techniques. These universal skills will undoubtedly transform your approach to capturing any subject imaginable. The power to see beauty in the ordinary is a true gift, cultivated through dedicated practice. Keep exploring how light shapes perception and elevates even the humblest of objects. If you found this unique exploration fascinating, subscribe for more incredible photographic insights and share your thoughts below.